Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sell shoes faster on OfferUp. So once you have your pair of shoes and you've already optimized the title, you've already taken a bunch of pictures, it's in great lighting, how do you get to sell faster? The one thing I do in order to sell shoes faster on OfferUp is to actually tell viewers or potential buyers in the description of your OfferUp what the normal price of your shoes are online. So if your shoes are found elsewhere online, like a popular shoe website, you can tell them like, hey, these pair of shoes are normally priced at $300, but here on OfferUp, you can get these shoes for less than $100. That usually helps convert better into more sales. This price comparison feature is something that I do in all my OfferUp listings, where I tell people, hey, the normal price for these pair of shoes is $300 elsewhere online, but here on OfferUp, it's $100. That helps convert more into sales. So by utilizing that feature, it's going to help you sell your shoes a lot faster, and do take it as far as making it a habit to actually include that comparison listing in all your OfferUp listings, right? So if you have any questions, let me know.